Hi guys, today we are going to learn to make a terracotta Ganpati for a Ganpati Utsav. And we can make it at home. Why do you need POP murtis and spoil the environment? This is an eco-friendly Ganpati, just learn 2 minutes. First, you have to take a very good base to start with. And with the, my friend Shravani, she has also have a YouTube channel and she is helping me.
My channel name is Shravani the Great Parents and Project Adaki. I'm going to assist my ma'am in making Ganpati, so you can see now.
Yes. So, we are making a sitting Ganpati. The Ganpati's trunk should be always on the left side and we are going to make only two hands. One is the right one with the Ashirvad and the left one with the Modak. Yes, making a sitting pose. We have to make one candle like this for the low. We call carrot also. Children take 2 carrots of the same size. And we'll need a big chunk for the belly part because Ganpati Bappa is
Fat.
yeah,
Very
he's
fat.
fond of eating.
He likes laddu,
and
modaks.
and yeah. So like we need to see. This is his belly. If you want to make a fat belly, you can still add on some clay. Merge it. This is terracotta clay. Is very good for sculpting. Like Shadu Mati. Shadu Mati is also good for making idols and murtis. But terracotta is eco-friendly clay which we can do the Visarjan at home in the pot.
Yes.
You can put some seeds in this and you can see you can grow some plants. Ganpati Bappa will never leave you and go anywhere.
Yes.
With you. Yes. And for the head you have to just take one circle and
Yes.
just make again one carrot. See, carrot is very good for health and also for Ganpati. So this is the trunk we are making.
Yes.
Just place it on the head and move on the left side. This terracotta clay you can get anywhere, and if you don't get terracotta you can take the garden clay
Yes.
from the gardener. You have to just sew it because there are stones in that. You have to see that there are no stones. Even you can buy Shadu Mati, you can make same Ganpati, same style. And we are making the arms now. So the left side, we are doing the Modak one. This arm I am joining. And to merge it with the body.
Sit. You mean.
Yes, it should not stand out, otherwise it will fall. You have to, first I will show you how. This is for the Ashirvad hand. And so you have to dip your hand in the water, make it a little wet, so that you can merge it.
Yes.
Very easy.
It's easy, but for beginners it's
Yeah.
hard. And
To
look
try,
at it and
yeah.
try.
To try.
This
can
is a
be-
big one. If you want to make small, you can make small.
Yes.
First for the practice or trial one.
Yeah, this is 1 kg.
Beginners can take half kg. What is more preferable, ma'am? Half kg or 1 kg for
Half
beginners?
kgs.
Half kg. So how much rupees for half kg?
Half kg you will get around for 50 rupees.
Oh, and 1 kg?
100 rupees.
Okay.
Terracotta.
Terracotta. Okay. So which clay is the best for making this idol, Ganpati idols?
See, if you are doing Visarjan at home, I'll recommend terracotta. And if you are doing Visarjan in the sea or lake or somewhere else, that Shadu Mati is the clay which we found near the river. That is again an eco-friendly option. And I made idols with both the clays. Both are my favorite.
So see, ma'am has so much talent that she makes.
See, I want
Idol.
people should stop using POP murtis.
What is POP, ma'am?
It's plaster of Paris, is all chemical.
Oh.
And then people will put all chemical colors on it. And what happens? The marine life, the fishes, they die because of that.
Yeah.
And POP doesn't dissolve easily. So it stays for years and years in the sea
Yeah.
and just spoils the biodiversity of the sea. So I'm against that. I want go green, use eco-friendly. See friends, your murti is ready. And now you can do
One,
decorate.
just the close up is here, guys. You can see the close up.
Yes.
Now, just we are going to add some few elements or few
make a feet.
tools
Yes.
like eyes, nose, leg.
You can do the paint also. You can paint this in 24 hours. This
Settles.
Yeah, it settles and it dries. After that, you have to color it with the white color.
Yes.
Acrylic or watercolor.
Yes.
Like this.
Yeah. So you
And
can
then
see the
pick
close up.
Any color, yeah.
Yeah.
And you can apply any acrylic or watercolor
Yes.
and decorate. If you don't want to put colors, you can.
See, so nicely and beautifully ma'am is doing. Can see the close up.
Yeah. If you want, you can put a mukut or pagdi or whatever and decorate it.
So if you want to make guys pagdi or anything Raja Mukut jaisa, you can put it on Ganpati Bappa because Ganpati Bappa looks cute on that avatar. Please.
And after making the murti, you have to just apply water for a good shine. And your murti is ready.
Yes, so guys, this is the end of this video, and if you just like this video, means you like the efforts of this ma'am, please do reach till 1 lakh likes and 1 lakh subscribers on Shravani the Great Pianist, Himanshu Sharma and Prajakta Rahake. So guys, I will see you in my next video, and thank you. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my video and my ma'am's video. Bye bye guys. Bye Ganpati Bappa. Moria. Bye Ganpati Bappa. Bye everyone. See you guys.